Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make prank malware. And no, I'm not going to call it a virus because I'm not 3. But I'm going to show you how to make a prank virus to prank your friends or something, or destroy their computer. Now, I've got this here. These are the codes, scripts or whatever. We'll be doing this in Visual Basic Script. Also VBS, and so I will put all this in the description on Google Docs if you want to print this or put it on a document on your computer, but I'm going to show you how to make that today. So you're going to want to open Notepad. Okay, wait, that's not the right Notepad, just a second. Notepad. Okay, now you want a blank Notepad, and now I'm going to show you a couple different things. So I just opened a couple, hold on. So now, if you write this code here, x equals MsgBox, and this, you can just copy this. This will become a message box. Let me show you. So you will delete this message description and put your message that you want it to say right in here. And you can also delete title and put whatever you want in here. So if I want to do like, your PC is hacked, and if I want to put the title, Windows, I can do that. And now I can save the file as, you just put your name like here, like hello or something, but always put at the end .vbs. This will change it into a VBS file. It will not work if it's .exe or .bat, batch file. So now you can see we've got this, and when I click on this, this will open, and it says your PC is hacked. There's the title right there I put, and there's the words right there I put. That's a message. That's the basics of the message box. And say if you wanted to make more, just a second. If you wanted to make more message box, you just go ahead and you put another one right there. And then like, I don't know, I like big booty bitches or something, you know. And then you put okay or something. And then all you have to do if you're gonna edit this, if you press edit, you don't have to save it as another file. You can just press save, exit out of it. Your PC is hacked, and I like big booty bitches. Bam! That easy. And that's how you make them. And if you want the message boxes not to appear so fast, in the middle of those, between those, this will work with anything. You do wscript.sleep, and then the amount you want. 100, 1000, you know, whatever that is. That's going to be a long time. I usually do 1000 or 500. Now if I press save, and I click it again, and I click OK, it'll wait, and then it does it. So it won't appear as fast, you know. So that was the basic message box. I'm going to show you another thing. So right here, as you can see, this 0 plus 16, this is going to be your buttons. Hold on. I'm a bit retarded here. So these are going to be your, see, if you put a 0 right here, that's going to be the OK button. It'll show an OK button. You put a 1 right there, an OK and cancel button. Put 2, an abort, retry, or ignore button. And then 3, you basically get it. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the first one, it's what you can put. And then this 16 right here, you can replace that with 16, 32, 48, or 64. 16 will be the critical icon, 32 will be the help icon, 48 will be the warning icon, and 64 will be the information icon. So if I went here and I wanted the retry and cancel button, I'd put a 5 right there. And if I wanted the information button, I would put 64 right there. Now if I save this, I'll show you guys what I mean here. If I save, click on this now, your PC is hacked. Now, see, wait, what did I do? Yeah, your PC is hacked. Now you see, I put the retry and cancel buttons right here, and the information icon right there, and you can change this up any way you want. Just put a happy little retry button right there. And then, okay, well, I guess we do that too. But now say if you want, you can do that with anything right here. Just make sure to not remove any of these little things right here. Only replace where it says message description and title and this 0 plus 16. Don't remove anything else unless you're a genius. So now if we remove all this, we'll do your PC is hacked. Actually, we'll leave this here. wscript.sleep 700 or something, you know. Then we go down another, and we can look at what should we do next. We can, oh yeah, if you don't want the title, if you don't want to mess with the title and stuff in the buttons, you can just type MsgBox space words here. Like, just replace the words here, and it'll become a message box. That's an easier way to do it. You can also open browsers. I'll show you what I mean here. If I take Chrome and copy all this off. I know this is not how I'm supposed to do it, but I don't have time to type it. And if I type that in, this should take me to Google. So if I press save, hello, your PC is hacked, retry. And we have opened Google. You can also, say if you want to rickroll somebody, you can take rickroll and so you want this link, right? Yeah, I got you, didn't I? Take the link and you can change up your script. Just a minute. Get this the fuck out of here. Okay. You can press edit and replace this https google.com thing with your link, the full link to the video. Now, if we save this and I click on this, your PC is hacked, retry, opens Google. And now, which is it's actually pretty good. I made one called Virus Cleaner, which was one of the second ones I made. You'd want to pick one if you're gonna rickroll somebody. You'd want to pick one that's like a rickroll, no ads, in different link, just in case someone's looking in your script there. Rickroll with no ads, different link. That's the one I used. And yeah, that's how you open browsers. You can do like Opera and stuff. All you have to do is replace this right there to your whatever link you want in a browser. Sorry. Now we'll open this and remove that. Now, another thing we can do is shut down the PC. This is very interesting. This code right here, just this bare code, I'm pretty sure it's just this. You don't need the top. These are just instructions. But as you can see, S right here means shutdown. T0 means no timeout. I'm pretty sure that you can change this and then it will appear with that blue box. Like if you did T30, say, and that that blue box would appear and it would say you're about to be logged out, and it'll say in 30 seconds or whatever, But if you do T0, it'll immediately shut down your computer. It will not shut down. It will just be like, it will not ruin anything. It would just be like pressing shut down right here. That's all it does. It won't hurt your computer or nothing. I'm not gonna demonstrate this because I really don't want my computer to get shut down and to lose everything. But when you do this, if you make a time limit here and you change your mind, you don't want to get shut down, you can press Windows R and open the run and do shutdown minus A, I'm pretty sure, and that'll clear all the shutdown, so you don't need to, you know, shut down your computer. How long am I into this video here? This is around 10 minutes. This is gonna be a long video. But yeah, you can shut down the PC with this code. Yeah, that's just the script to wait. It's just VBScript.sleep or whatever you want here. Making the computer talk. This is a very, very cool one. Edit. Let's go into here. And you guys can copy paste this if you want. I'll put it in the description or put a link to it. But your str text, just copy all this right there. Hop into your, I guess we have 2 notepads now. Don't save. And go into here, and we'll put that here, and we'll remove your message here. Then we can do like, hello world, subscribe to me, or something, And you don't have to mess with anything else here. Let's save this. And now when we go into here, your PC is hacked.
Hello world, subscribe to me.
Yeah, see? You can actually make your computer talk like that. You can put whatever you want here. You can put a long text as you want. That's how you make the computer talk. Very, very cool little code right there. Next up is making the computer type. Now this one's kind of kick-ass because you can ruin your computer with this. In a certain way you can ruin your computer with this. Shell.send keys and then your key here. That's all you have to do right there is just that code. That simple little code. Now if we go in here, shell send keys. If you want to type the keys slowly, you can do shell send keys and type one letter. Say if you wanted to type sub or something, you do S, then VBScript dot sleep 100, which is what you do, and then you do shell dot send keys. Make sure to put these quotation marks too, and then you press the then you press the U, and then you just copy this whole thing. Not copy it, but you do send keys S, sleep, send keys U, sleep, send keys B, you get the point. But if you wanted to send keys really fast, I mean super fast, you can just go like this. Hello world, I suck at making videos. Perfect. And now it will send those keys. But it's probably not the best idea to do right now because I haven't showed you how to open Notepad or anything. But another what you can do with this is open Notepad before you send these keys, and it will type this into Notepad, which is kind of creepy. You don't have to touch your computer at all, and it will just type that. That's how you send keys. I'll demonstrate more on that later. That's how you make the computer type for you. Make loops. This is a good one. So, if you wanted to make a loop, all you have to do is put do at the top, or wherever you want the script, and loop. And then you put your script in between, and it will keep looping that. So if I wanted to do x equals message, actually I'll just do MsgBox, and then haha get hacked. And right before that, I'll put do, and then I'll put loop. And that will loop that. It won't loop anything above it or anything below it. It'll only loop what's between do and loop. You can do some pretty dangerous stuff with this. And if you were to do and then open Notepad, which I'll get into that later, and then loop, it will open Notepad so fast you will, barely even. So you might want to do VBScript.sleep 5000, open Notepad and loop, so it would not open it as fast. But if you want to bone somebody's computer, you can. Now if I save this, and I open, your PC is hacked. Haha, get hacked. Now you see if I press OK, this will not go away. Now if I press X, no matter how many times I press this, it won't go away, right? The only way to get rid of this would be to do the Control-Shift-Escape, open Task Manager, and destroy this. This will be your main thing right here. Microsoft Windows-based scripting, or whatever that is there. It'll look like this. Press End Task, and then the whole script is gone. So you've just basically punched the script in the face. This is taking up a lot of CPU, actually. But that's how you do that. And that's how you do loops. So I will show you some of my homemade malware I've made. But that's the basic loop. You put your script here, and it will loop everything in between it. That's how you do the loops. What's next? Open program. Yes, this is what I'm showing you about. Set WSL, whatever this is, and then you just type your program here. Now, if you want to open, some of them are abbreviated, which I hate. You just have to search up what they are in VBS. But if you want to open Notepad, you'd press notepad.exe in the program here, and it will run Notepad. So let's save that, and it will open Notepad without you having to do anything. Watch. Your PC is hacked, yeah. And Notepad will open. Bam. Now, this is what I was showing you about with the send keys. Now, let's save this script. But before I do that, let me show you something. If I wanted to open calculator, it wouldn't let me type calculator, right? It's just calc.exe. And so if I were to save this and open it, there's calculator. And so some of them are abbreviated. That's the only ones I know. But just experiment around with it. You can open anything, any program on your computer. You can open command prompt, anything. So that's interesting. But so here's what I'm going to show you. WSL run notepad.exe. So now it will run this notepad. But below that, now we can use send keys. Actually, we'll do wscript.sleep 500. So when you do this, it won't immediately start typing, which is good just in case Notepad doesn't open quickly. Then below that, you'll go ahead and do your shit. You go ahead and do your. Oh my God! Why have I opened so many? Okay, how to create a fake virus. Type and then. Remember, if you want it to type very fast, just put all your words right here. So we can do. No way you get out of this. Now, very dangerous thing that I almost destroyed my computer with was running Notepad and then putting do right here and loop. This will spam your words so fast that you can barely get out of it. Only way you get out of it is restart your computer. So that's pretty dangerous. You'd probably want to put wscript.sleep in here, and then your words, before you do that. But if you want to absolutely annihilate your computer, you can just do that. So now this should, if we save this, open. Your PC is hacked. Retry. Should open Notepad. and it types it right there. That's very cool. Now, I did delete the program that spammed it because I really don't want my computer to be destroyed. But you can see it types, and it'll type as much as you put in there. That's a nice little creepy thing you can do just to, mess with people. Okay, let's see. Do we have it open already? Yeah. Okay. Let's delete all of that. Good. Now, next, yeah, we did loose, we did open. Oh yes, input boxes. Now there's two types. Dim phoneme equals input box, and you put your words here or something, whatever. And the one below it, you can put your words and title. If you want just words, you can put words here. I'll show you this. So, I'll show you what input box means. So it'd be like, please enter your password. Now if I save this, your PC's hacked, yep. It opens this. This is the input box. You can input stuff into here, type whatever you want. And here's my please enter your password I typed. And I can press OK. And it will be gone. Now, if you don't want it to go away, you can do the, just like I said, you can put do here and loop there. And it will, every time you press OK or X, it won't get out until you end the task. So that's a little cool little input box you can make a little pretend ransomware with. Here's the one with the title. Dim I input box, and then their title there, whatever the hell. So let's put words here. Oops. Your files have been encrypted. And then title here. And you can do wanna cry or something, Whatever you want. Literally whatever you want you can put there. Save. Now we run it. Get rid of that. Now it opens this, and here's my title, and here's my words. Oops, your files have been encrypted. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for the information, bud. But that's the input box right there. And with the do and the loop, you can make it continue, Delete files. This one's pretty kick-ass too. I don't know why I'm saying that. But, okay, this one's a little bit more, a little bit time-consuming, a little bit. So, pretend I put a text document, anything. Now, if I see you put your file location here, and it will delete that file. You don't have to do anything up here. Just put your file location here. To find the file location, click on your file, properties, and you'll see type of file, text document, .txt. You're going to want to put that at the end of the name. So I'll show you. So if we go to, yeah, right here, location. You'll just copy this location and paste it right into here. E. Put it right there. And then do another backwards slash. And type in the name. New text document .txt. Some of them will be .exe. You can even do .vbs. Or I'm not sure what a folder is. Type file folder. So you'd probably just have to do C users, Epic Pro. I don't know how to delete folders yet, but whatever. But now when I run this, it should delete this new text document. Let's save and let's run. Okay, we're really lagging now. Okay, are we still recording here? Yeah, it's been a while. Jesus. Okay, that was a very, very long delay. Your PC is hacked. Retry. Now watch. Bam. There goes that file. And you can keep copy and pasting this. You could delete every file, and the only way you'd be able to stop it would be with Task Manager. And, by the way, when your script is done with, you don't have to end it in Task Manager. When the script's over, it will end itself. But not with the do and loop. That will not, you have to end that in Task Manager. Anyway, that's how you delete. You can delete anything like that. I don't think you can delete System32. That would be intense. But for the last thing, you can kill a process. So, copy this whole thing. We're going to smack it in there. And, here we go. Task kill. Up here, you don't have to worry about that. But put only copy process here. Let's say I want to end. I don't know. Is my video done uploading? Let's see. Restrictions none. Okay, that's good. Now that this is done, I can now destroy this. So if I put Google Chrome.exe, not sure if this will work because it's, yeah, but it will task kill Google Chrome, I think. So if you take it, let's watch. Look in the taskbar. Fuck. That didn't work. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to put all this. But say we just have, let's get this out of here. Say we have another open, no, not a text document. Damn it, this is so slow, it's unbelievable. Scan with malware bytes, I didn't know you could do that. Okay, anyways, if we open yet another notepad, I'm not sure if it'll delete this one, which is a bit concerning. So let's go ahead and do, I wonder if we do untitled I don't know if there's a space there. It doesn't look like it. Notepad.exe. Will this, or would it be? No, it'd be .txt. Okay, that's why you would mess up that. I'm pretty sure. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Okay, let's save this and let's see if it works. Your PC is hacked. Well, that's great. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to look at the properties of Notepad. I don't know if you can do that. Let's search up Notepad. Yeah. It's not showing me the properties. Pin to start. I thought that pins it here. Oh, does that mean it's gonna... Oh no, it just pins it there. Okay. Anyway. I messed this up. I'm not completely sure how you do this. You'd have to look somewhere. Unless I did something wrong. Process here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try this again. Let's do Notepad. We open Notepad. Let's put our, untitled note. Oh, I spelt it wrong. You guys were probably screaming at me, weren't you? Uh-huh. Try this again. Fuck. Okay, sorry. So, what if we just destroy Untitled? I don't know if this is gonna destroy all notepad.txt's. Is it exe or txt? You guys are screaming at me, I know it. Let's just save this and see if it works. Save. Your PC is hacked. Oh my god, bro. Did it delete? Nope. Let's go into Task Manager and look at what the process looks like. Notepad. Oh, I have 3 notepads. I don't know how to delete which one. Oh, well, just forget about that one, guys. You could probably task kill, to blue screen your computer, like csrss.exe, which is, not that safe for your computer. You might not want to do that. But you can also delete svchost.exe, any of these, and it will kill your computer. And it won't kill it, it'll blue screen it. You know, yeah. Well, I think that might be it for this video. I'm gonna see if did I miss anything? How to create a fake virus. Let's see. Delete files, input boxes, open program, make loops. Oh, yes, I was gonna show you guys some of my viruses and how you can make them. So, what did I do here? I don't know. Did I change anything? Wait, 5? Oops! Yep, that's your problem there. There we go. Let's save. I think that's good. Now we can get rid of our script here. Yeah, get rid of that. Put this in the trash. We don't really need it. Here's some of my homemade malware. This one's name's Graham. I can't run this one, but I'll show you guys. MsgBox error while opening WannaCry.exe, and I named it WannaCry. MsgBox, please retry. Here's the retry, and here's the information in WannaCry. Would you like to scan for viruses also? WannaCry. MsgBox. But first, please make sure there's no one walking outside your house. WannaCry. MsgBox, is anyone there? And it says outside your home, and then the title's outside your home. MsgBox, are you sure? And it says I am outside your home. And then in full caps, it'll say I am outside your home, and it'll go back to WannaCry. It'll sleep. It will open a creepy video on YouTube, and then it'll say, how's that for fun, Graham? Sleep and shut down the computer immediately. I can't open that one right now because that'll shut down my computer and end everything. This one's stop opening notepad, god damn it! And you can probably get this one. See? Do set WS shell, create object, run notepad, sleep 7000, loop. This will just keep opening notepad. This is probably the safest way because it will wait and then it will open notepad, wait, and then open notepad instead of just notepad like bam, 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 bam. So I'm not going to do that one either. Why am I taking them all out? Here's one I made. This is my newest one, Internet Explorer. As you can see, it disguises itself as Internet Explorer. You can change the logo and the name by pressing Properties or Rename. Press Properties, Change Icon, and you got all these different icons here. Very cool. You can even make it a folder. You could probably download different icons too. I'm not sure. But you know, all these different icons on Windows. But this one, I can run this one, I think. Okay, here we go. Internet Explorer. A fatal error occurred while opening Internet Explorer.exe. Would you like to retry?
Windows failed retry and has performed a illegal action and will be terminated to prevent further damage.
Wait. Notepad. Oh, it should spam 6. Whole bunch of 6s. I messed up that. But now I call it shitty ransomware by AR. Your files have been encrypted. Pay $300 worth of Bitcoin to whatever. to unlock your files. And I did the loop, so I can't close this. I can close calculator, but I can't close this until I go into Task Manager and kill the process. And then it's gone. That was my Internet Explorer. Here's my first one, virus. It's kind of cringe, so I really... Okay, fine, I'll show you. Okay, I guess we're running it. Would you like to repair? Sure. Corrupted files found. This was my first ever one, by the way. Error, cannot repair corrupted files.
You're screwed already. Do not attempt to delete this program as this will result in a data wipe.
Cringe, I know. Lol, it was a prank. Bam, done. Cool. The virus cleaner. I think I told you guys about this one. Yep, you open it. Hi, would you like to scan for viruses? Okay, scanning. And you get a good old-fashioned Rickroll. That was a pretty basic script there, just some message boxes and opening the browser. But that's all really the ones I can show you right now. Test IE is the test for Internet Explorer, because it won't let you keep the shortcut without keeping the base file or whatever. Well, that's what you got, guys. I'll put all these codes in the description or on Google Docs if you want to print them. How long have I been doing this for? 36 minutes? This is going to take forever to... Jesus Christ. Well, guys, if you want another video like this for some goddamn reason, I've covered everything I know. Or if you want a couple more virus showcase videos when I make some more viruses. Malware. They're not viruses. I wonder how many times I've said that. Anyway, if you guys want to see another video like this, just comment and like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.